I have been crying for 2 days, not because my life is falling apart, but because it isn't. I am achieving everything that I have set my mind towards this month. I've been working towards my goals. I have been on track. I have been disciplined. I have been consistent. And I am happy. But the thing is, even when I am doing all of these things, I still feel a want to have a person, a want to have love. And for for the whole last month, I've been feeling like I shouldn't feel this longing. I shouldn't feel this longing for love. I shouldn't feel this longing for a person. I shouldn't feel this longing for something romantic. That's just gross. You are doing so much with your life. You should be happy and you should be proud. I am happy and proud, but I still want a person. And I've been feeling guilty about it. I've been feeling guilty for wanting love, for wanting a connection, for wanting a person who can hold me. I have been feeling that because I have been told that Tanushree, everything that you need right now is your career, and that's true. I always say that what should be your priority is your career, but you can't deny the longing you have for love. I am not going to lie and say that I have never been a person who ever thought about love. I have always been a person who thought about love, who thinks about love, who thinks that love and connection is the most purest form of emotions that you'll ever experience. That's me. I feel that love is the most purest form of emotion. And yes, I do crave for romantic love even while I want to achieve a lot of things in my life. Yes, I do want a loving, caring partner who I'm attracted to. I do want that. And even what I am saying right now was so hard for me to accept this month. I was doing so much this month. I've been on track. I've been studying. I've been going out. I've been scheduling classes for the things that I want to do. And I'm feeling whole. I don't feel like I need somebody to complete me because I know that I'm complete in myself. I don't need somebody to like come and complete me and fix me. I am already fixed. I am on track. I'm doing everything. I just need somebody to hold me. And for past month, I feel really guilty for even feeling this. I'm doing things, I'm achieving things. I shouldn't be thinking about love. I shouldn't be thinking about that. Why am I thinking about that? It's gross. I don't want to think that. And now that I'm on my periods and every suppressed emotion is coming up, I feel like, why am I guilt tripping myself for wanting love, for having this longing for love? Like, I have been guilt tripping myself. Why? Because a part of it is because I have told myself that when you're achieving things, you do not need love, you do not need longing. You can't even long for a person. That's me. I have told myself that. And I've also been told this by a lot of people on the internet, a lot of people around me, my friends, my family. Tanushree, focus on yourself. You need to be focused on yourself, and everything will fall into place. Yes, everything is going to fall into place, but I still have this longing for a person. What do I do? Do I just suppress it? Do I just cry myself to sleep? Like, why can't I just accept that I have this longing for a person? I do. I know. And I know at this point it is not coming out of desperation. It is really not coming out of desperation because I feel complete in myself. I've been doing things to make myself happy. I've been doing all of that and I feel complete. I don't need somebody to complete me. I just need a partner. I have this longing, and yeah, I do feel upset over it, and that's okay. I'm not going to settle for less just because I feel this longing for someone. But I don't also have to ignore the longing. I don't have to guilt trip myself and think that the longing is gross, because it isn't. It isn't cringe. All these people on Instagram are like, yeah, when you're getting money and you're achieving your goal, you won't even need that person. But I do need a human connection. I do. And that doesn't make me a loser, you know. Because everyone is not the same, Karen. Everybody is not the same. Some people do want a connection. Some people do think that having everything, having money, achieving goals, and all that isn't enough. And those people exist. Me, I exist. Ever since I've known myself or remembered, I've always wanted a person to love. And I am a person who has a lot of love to give. So I don't see having a longing as something. I mean, I used to see it that way just a few days ago, but I don't see it as that right now because I've cried over that longing and feeling that longing. And I realized that longing isn't a sign of desperation. That longing isn't me going like, oh my god, I want somebody so desperately, so I'm going to do anything to get that person. It's not desperation that's talking right now. It's that, yes, I know that I have this longing in my heart. Yes, it makes me cry sometimes. It makes me cry my eyes out sometimes for 2 days. But am I going to be desperate just because I want something? No, I'm not. But I still have that longing. It doesn't make me cringe. No, I just seriously need to stop watching those toxic Instagram reels about consistency and, goals are everything. I mean, I do agree to some extent, but at some point, I just feel like everybody is repeating the same thing. Everybody's like, love is trash, don't ever think about love. But if you are someone who's wired to think about love, who wants to think about love, then you are going to think about love. And that's not wrong. Until you make love your whole personality, then that's the problem. But you are not doing that, then I don't think having longing for love is your fault. We are humans. We are wired to have longing. We are wired to want love. We are wired to want intimacy. We are wired to want a person. You can't live your, I mean, you can live your life alone if you really want to, but some people just don't. Some people do not want to live alone. Some people dream about having a love life, having a partner. Some people do dream about that, and it's fine. It's fine. Yes. I don't know really what to do with that longing. I think I'm just going to accept the fact that I have the longing and I'm just going to live with it until I find the person. I, yes, yes. I also, when you have this longing for someone or something, you feel like you are not successful until you have it. And I'm also very, very cautious of not falling into that trap because I am successful even now. I am successful even now because I am doing things that I really like. So this is what success looks like to me. And success is very, very personal. you know this longing thing, for me it's love. It has always been love. For you it can be anything. It can be anything. And I just don't want you to feel like you are guilty for feeling a longing even if you are successful in every other part of your life. I want you to know that it is very human to feel the way you are feeling. It is very human to want whatever you want, you know it is very human of you to feel that way. And I also wanted to make this video just because I wanted to be vulnerable with myself. I wanted to be vulnerable with my content. Don't know, I think I know that there are people like me who feel this way but just can't articulate it. and I just want to articulate for them. I just want to articulate for you.